up, me and Morgan? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this lock, how puff, and swoop. If that is something that you would like to see, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm just starting on dry hair. I'm just taking my spray bottle and damping my hair, making sure I coat it enough, and I'm just going to massage my fingers through my hair. And I will be spraying this on my hair as well. And just giving my scalp a nice good old massage. So now I'm just sectioning my hair off so I can figure out where I want my part to go. Also, I will be trying to judge how much hair I need to leave out for my swoop. And you really don't need a lot of hair out because it is going to be kind of hard to manage. But I just left out a little bit enough so it can give me that swoop look. And as you can see, I'm just playing around with it, just trying to adjust it to fit my face and make sure it looks right. And as you can see, it was too much hair, so I took some out. Okay, y'all, please bear with me. I have a little cold and my voice may sound a little raspy and deep. But now that I have sectioned out the parts that I'm going to use for my swoop, I'm just twisting those pieces together just to keep it out of the way. And now I'm just going to pull all my hair up into a ponytail. It's going to be a loose ponytail until I get my edges how I want them to be. And now that I got my hair up, I'm just trying to examine it, make sure it's in the center of how I want it to be, make sure it's up further enough. And so now I'm just spraying some water on my edges just to loosen it up so I can begin to lay my edges. This part is optional. That's the edge control that I like to use. So now that I got my edges laid how I want them to be laid, I'm just redoing my ponytail, and I'm just going to take the first couple rows of my locks and I'm just going to individually retwist them into the ponytail just to give it a clean look. This is optional as well. You don't have to do this, but this is what I chose to do. So now that I got my ponytail in place, I'm beginning to work on my swoop. Y'all, this part was a little tedious. Y'all gonna see me take it down, but as you watching, you'll see how I'm doing it. So it's really kind of hard to vocally explain how I'm doing it. As you can see, I have put the rubber band up there, and I feel like that works better if I did my ponytail low, but by me having my hair up, it was kind of not laying like how I wanted to lay. So I took off the rubber band and just started to hold my hair to the side like how I have it laid, and then I just started adding the bobby pins like that. And then like for my puff, I just wrapped it around. No rhyme or reason how I done that as well. So this is the part where I had mentioned where I had to redo my swoop because I wasn't liking how it was laying. So basically I'm just trying to hold it and just placing it how I want it to lay. And I'm just having the extra hair kind of flipped up so I can pin that down. And then I will add like the remaining parts to the ponytail, if that makes sense. You just got to play with it to get it to fit you how you want it to fit. And just to mention, I just try to make this as easy as possible. You may find an easier way, and if you do, that's fine. But this was quick and this was easy for me. I just had to play around with it. So if you find a better way to do it for yourself, what works for you, then I would suggest you do it that way. You guys, I am back. I have laid down my edges. Disclaimer, it's not perfect and it's not like neat, but it gets the job done. If you can see, my back ain't, you know, freshly done, and it's cool, and I'm cool with that. And I just got it, you know, pinned up. And there's no rhyme or reason how I got my ball. I feel like it turned out pretty good. And I'm loving it. You know, another quick, and this ain't as tight as how I did my slick back ponytail. I'll have that link down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on anything that I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause what? That's how y'all gonna see me. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.